Makara Sankranthi, celebration. Reason. Makara Sankranthi is one of the most important festivals celebrated across India. But do you know why this special day is celebrated? Makara Sankranthi is celebrated when the sun enters the zodiac sign called Makara, also known as Capricorn. This movement of the sun is known as Sankramana. It marks an important astronomical change and holds great significance in Indian tradition. From this day, the sun begins its northward journey, known as Uttarayana. In Indian culture, Uttarayana is considered a very auspicious and positive period. It symbolizes light, growth, and new energy entering our lives. Makara Sankranthi is also celebrated as a harvest festival. Farmers across the country celebrate the arrival of a new crop season. They express their gratitude to Surya, the sun god, for nourishing the land and blessing them with a good harvest. This festival also marks an important seasonal transition. It signals the end of the cold winter days and the beginning of longer, warmer days. It represents hope, prosperity, and fresh beginnings. One unique aspect of Makara Sankranthi is its scientific importance. Unlike many other festivals, it is celebrated on a fixed date every year, January 14th or 15th, based on the solar calendar. This reflects the deep scientific knowledge and astronomical understanding of ancient India. Makara Sankranthi beautifully represents India's cultural unity. Though it is celebrated by different names, Pongal in Tamil Nadu, Lohri in Punjab, Mag Bihu in Assam, and Makara Sankranthi in Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, the spirit of the festival remains the same. It is a celebration of gratitude, joy, and togetherness. On a deeper level, Makara Sankranthi carries a powerful spiritual message.
Just as the sun moves from darkness to light, Makara Sankranthi inspires us to walk towards positivity, knowledge, and hope.
Just as the sun changes its direction and moves towards light, this festival inspires us to move away from darkness, negativity, and ignorance and walk towards positivity, knowledge, and hope. Makara Sankranthi is not just a festival. It is a reminder of harmony between nature, science, culture, and human values.